Look at this. Look at this, friends. She's leaking. Justin, she's leaking. Leaking bad. Alright, I gotta get it broke off on this right here, so I'm trying to let it cool off. Supposed to aggravate thing, huh? Oh, thank you. I had to open it up a little more. There you go.
There's some pliers in the store.
Might just... That stuff's sweet. Ugh. Yeah, I know, but give me a plug. All right, made a mess of that, friends. Look at that. Oh, crap, tastes nasty. Look at it. They got a sign over there that says "Don't fix stuff in the parking lot." Oops. Looks like I might be buying more antifreeze coolant. Oh yeah, she'll come right on off. Wonder if I got a plug or not. I have to find something real quick. Look at that. She's really leaking now. Ah, that little piece right here. If I can get it here. This right here. This is what we're gonna be replacing with right here. I'm gonna let it cool on down first. It's still pretty warm. So I'm gonna let it finish cooling down. Then I'll finish changing it out real quick. Like I was gonna try to get down there and get the oil changed the day before I ride down to camp this evening. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get down there in time. It's already 3:15. Come on there and see if Justin's got a plug for his thing.
You ever seen some spring-loaded channel locks? Look at that.
We're advertising for this company.
TEQ, shitty tools.
Oh, okay. I don't want to advertise for nothing junk, man. It'll slide right off. Look, I just need a plug. It'll come off. Well, maybe I don't need a plug.
Alright, so you're gonna have number 8 misfire on this thing now.
I know, right?
So yeah, then there's you saw how the plastic clips were.
How, like, mother is warm.
You're gonna let it cool. I wouldn't do that because you'll break off the heater core. Because that hooks directly to the heater cord.
So what?
That's why your defrost sucks balls.
No, it don't. It actually don't.
On this side.
It's going to. Oh, it's going to now. So how do you twist it out then?
You don't. You have to push the clips in and pull it out.
Where are the clips at?
On the sides, there's 2 openings, 2 plastic pieces.
In the back?
On the side of it.
I don't feel it.
Oh
shoot!
Back.
Well, I need another one, brother. That just busted off.
The new one?
No, I'm gonna need another one. That one broke off.
Oh boy. Is that the same size? So see how that one is?
I think I've replaced this one before.
Look at it from here. So see, there's little plastic.
It's not that warm. I can get a hold to it.
There's little plastic pieces on each side of it.
Oh.
Just push it down and slide it out.
Oh, okay. The other one's a little bit different than that. That other one.
Match it up.
Well, I mean, this one's a little different than this one.
It should come on.
I'll fool around with it. All right. Well, let me fool around with this a few minutes here. J&H always messing something up.
Yeah.
Alright. they press in.
Yeah. They slide over and it's got a little ring around it that locks it in.
Look at this original one. So better idea. All right. So
That should be it. If not, I'll have to go get some from the store.
So these come. These things pop out. So that means this. You push them toward the truck, right?
Yeah.
And then the whole thing just slides out. Well, now, what in the world? Oh, nice. Busted that slap off of there. Oh, nice. Busted that off there, too. Alright, cool. Well, now it's in pieces, friends. That one was old and overrated right there. Alright. Now, we got to get that out of there. I'm going to have to wash his pliers off for him. Daggum. What in the world? Come on. Did you do me like that? Son of a buck. What in the world is... What's wrong with this junk? He wasn't kidding when he said junk tools. He wasn't even kidding. Right now. All right. Now, we got that. Now we got to somehow get this out of there. Any ideas? We're about to figure something out. We got this now. Put all these old parts back in this box here like a sewer. And then put this new piece. Yeah, I just got it all in there. I just yard sailed it. And I'm gonna slip this on there. I don't think it broke. I think it's alright. Alright. New one's on. Alright. Put these hoses back on. Oh, son of a buck. Freaking A, I hate hoses. Hopefully I don't break his son of a gun off. If you would, sir. Okay. I had it set just right just a minute ago. Get up on there. Oh, you're almost there. Ooh, that didn't sound good. I don't want to break it. Let's start back at square one.
How far in it? That should be good there as long as it's over it.
It's on it. That's for dang sure. Alright, I'll get this other one on. I got these good pliers out here. It daggone cooled off, didn't it?
Oh no, I'm ready to get this big Carhartt stuff out.
The other day, boss said, "Man, I like your overalls." I was like, "Oh, thanks." He's like, "Yeah." A couple days later, I had to walk past his office while he was at lunch, and and his computer was up, and he had his screensaver on. And his screensaver was like all pictures of him and his son while they deer hunting and stuff like that. And it's a picture of him in the exact same overalls that I got.
I'm not wearing mine, those are warm. If it stays this cold, I'm gonna wear them Sunday to church.
Oh, heck yeah. That's for real right there. There we go. Yeah, I think that's it. All right. Cool beaners. Could you just hit stop for me, please, sir? All right, friends. Put 2 new ones on it. I broke the other one putting it on because it was already so bad. I replaced it a while back. Couldn't get that son of a gun off. Nothing. No.
Rise and shine.
All right. So
Get things done.
now let's get on to deer camp. That's where I started. I was gonna get the oil change today. I don't think I'm gonna do that, so I probably should went ahead and got him to get me a quart of oil. Maybe. See y'all.